Hello and welcome. Today I bring you a delicious recipe, very traditional in my family where I grew up as a child, ground beef picadillo. I have modified some of the ingredients to make it more simple and easy to make. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. Let's get to the recipe. We are going to begin by peeling 4 medium-sized potatoes, and I'm using russet potatoes. And then we're going to chop them into about half-inch pieces. Dice a medium-sized onion into small chunks, half of a green bell pepper, and half of a yellow or red pepper. I'm chopping 5 leaves of fresh basil, but you can use a tablespoon of dry basil. I have some stuffed olives and I'm gonna cut them in half. And I'll be using about half a cup. We will add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet, then the chopped onions and the peppers. And we're going to saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. For this recipe, I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef, but you can perfectly use 1 pound and just reduce the rest of the ingredients by half. We are going to continue cooking the ground beef on medium heat until the beef is no longer red and raw. Now it's time to add the potatoes. I am adding an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and then I'm going to fill the same can with water twice. And I'm going to add this to the ground beef. This is the equivalent to 3 cups of liquid. Half a tablespoon of salt and pepper to taste. I add about half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now it's time to add the chopped basil. We're going to give it a very good stir. Cover it and continue cooking on medium for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, I am going to pierce one of the potatoes with a knife to see if it's ready. We don't want to overcook the potatoes. And we'll also check for salt. It's been about 25 minutes and my ground beef is ready. The last step is to add the green olives. We're going to give it a good stir, turn off the stove, and this is ready to be enjoyed. This picadillo is absolutely delicious. Now, the way I traditionally eat the picadillo or ground beef is with white rice, but you can eat it with salad or any other vegetables that you prefer. If you want to know how to make a very simple and easy white rice, I am going to leave the link in the description below, and also at the end of this video there is going to be a card that will take you to that video as well. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful and very blessed day.